Well, it's 6 a.m. in the morning here in Kona on May 6th. The sun is up already. I wish I would have woke up a little bit earlier, but I'm gonna try to go over here and fly my drone. Today is the day of the wedding, which is why we're in Hawaii. Not sure how much I'll actually be able to vlog today or take pictures, but at least I'll get a drone video in. One thing I really love about the islands in the Pacific are these plumeria trees. There's a giant one right behind me. As you can see this morning, there's just a ton of flowers on the ground here. You can almost like pick them up and make leis. Some of them smell really nice too. This one is kind of mild. Mini 4 Pro definitely does not disappoint. I was able to shoot that thing out so far. Pretty much was flying circles around the resort where my old Mavic Zoom would definitely be having some connection issues. Feeling a lot more comfortable with the transmission range, being able to fly out over the ocean farther, check out some cool boats, and man, I hope that footage looks good. I sure appreciate you guys watching this video. The best way to support the channel is to hit that subscribe button. And if you really like what you see, hit the like button too. And I'll see you next time.